Hi guys, hope you people are excitedly waiting for the next story, right? Today's story is all about a tiger and a donkey. Are you all ready for the story? Let's start. Once upon a time in the jungle, there lived two beautiful friends, a donkey and a tiger. These two were the best friends in the jungle. One fine morning, what happened? The donkey went to the tiger and told him, "Oh, my dear friend, the grasses are looking so beautiful and pretty, and it's blue in color." And now the tiger was really so shocked to hear about this, and he told him, "No, my dear friend, the grasses are usually green in color, and even now I can see that the grasses are green in color." But the donkey was not ready to accept it, and he told him, "No, no, no, you can't make me a fool. I knew that the grasses are blue in color. Can't you see? Are you blind?" And now the tiger really got angry and told him, "I am not a blind. I think you might be the blind one, because you can't even see that the grasses are green in color." And the argument between the two friends had made even more harder and harder, and they both start fighting together. And at last they decided, okay, fine, let's take this to the king of the jungle, and he's the one who will be giving the correct judgment. They both went to the king of the jungle. Do you all know who's the king of the jungle? Yeah, it's the lion. They both went to the lion, and the donkey told them, "Oh Lord, I told my friend that I can see that the grasses are blue in color, but my friend is not ready to accept it. He told me that the grasses are green in color. So we came here for the correct judgment." Now the lion replied, "Yeah, the donkey is right. I can also see that the grasses are blue in color." Now the tiger was literally so shocked, and he don't know what to do. He asked the king, "Oh king, how can you say this?" And now the king replied, "I'm the king of the jungle, and I live in this world for many years. I knew that the grasses are blue in color. You made an wrong argument with your friend, so I am punishing you for this." Now the donkey was really happy and dancing in the courtroom, and then he left the palace. After he leaves the palace, he goes to the old world and announces that the king of the jungle accepted his argument that the grasses are blue in color. And then after few years, what happened? The tiger really can't take this, and he went to the lion and asked him, "Oh Lord, why did you give me such an punishment for 5 years of silence? Means that I should not talk to anybody for 5 years. Why did you give me such a punishment? Because I didn't do anything wrong. I was correct. I knew that the grasses are green color. Even you knew that the grasses are green in color. Then why did you give me such a punishment?" And the king replied, "I gave you this punishment for 2 reasons. Do you know what are the 2 reasons?" And the tiger replied, "No, Lord, I didn't do anything wrong, so I don't know why did you give me this punishment." And then the lion told him, "The first reason I gave you this punishment was you made a wrong argument with your friend. That is, you are not supposed to make any argument with an ignorant people like a donkey, because making an ignorant people and making an argument with an ignorant people is like wasting your whole day and whole time." And then the second reason was, you are not only wasting your time, you wasted my time and the court time by complaining about this in the court. So the second reason was, you wasted my whole day for this. So for these 2 reasons, I give you this punishment to make you realize, don't ever make an argument with an ignorant people, because it is impossible to win an argument with an ignorant people." Hope you all love the story. Thank you so much.